vlog. It's Vlogmas day 10, and if you can't tell, I feel terrible. It's like 2 p.m. and I just woke up because I tried to sleep the sickness away. So this is my, yeah, I was just making sure it was the right day. It's day 10. Let's see what I got. Oh, this is so cute. It's a peppermint handmade lollipop. That's so cute. I love this. I don't know, I think this is so cute. So this is my day 10 gift from Emma. So my plan for today was, today's Sunday. My plan for today was to go shoot some outfits for some blog posts because starting on Wednesday, it's 12 days of Camo Christmas, and that means that I'm posting a blog post every single day for until Christmas Eve. And like obviously I already have some like ready. I already have some ready, but I don't have like all of them. Like I don't have like the clothes, like the pictures ready for like the outfits. So because it's been literally, it rained every single day this week. So today's the first day it's been sunny, and of course today is, I feel like, death. So I don't really know. I really need to edit the vlog from yesterday because I haven't done that yet. So yeah, that's where we're at today in the day in the life of Caitlin. So probably gonna go edit the vlog and put it up because it's already 2 p.m. And then maybe I'll figure out something else to do. I'm kind of hungry, so maybe this will be a, no, it's already 2 p.m. It's not gonna be what I eat in a day, but I don't know. I'll talk to you in a bit. Okay, so we're gonna make some gingerbread cookies. So I got these like a week or so ago and I haven't made them yet, so I am going to make them and I'm really excited about it. I'm not gonna give these to any other humans other than JMO because I don't want to infect anybody else with my cold, but
thanks, babe. Really appreciate it.
But yeah, so I'm gonna make these. So we've got, reading the mix, a stick of butter, a tablespoon of water, and 1 egg, and then I'm gonna put them in this cute little like gingerbread mold thing. So I hope that they end up tasting good. So we are going to start baking, and let's see. To make cookies, stir cookie mix. We're gonna do it in the mixer. While the other cookies are baking, I'm going to put the rest of this on the aluminum foil and prepare for the next batch. Now we are just going to wait for the other cookies to be done. They have 4 minutes left. Okay guys, so it's a little bit later. I have successfully showered and I didn't wash my hair if you were curious. And I ate some cookies and I'm about to eat some more cookies. And Jimmel and Taylor left, so football is not on the TV anymore, and I am watching another Audrey movie. Because, you know, why not? This one's actually on Netflix, so that's kind of cool. But yeah, and I'm in my Christmas DZ shirt. I don't know why. And some cute little socks with reindeers on them. So yeah, but I am just gonna watch this, and yeah. I already like did all my like skincare, so like my face is so like shiny and stuff. But I get my eyelashes filled tomorrow. I'm pretty pumped about it because they are, especially this one, like all the lashes here like all gone. I don't know what happened to this eye this time. Usually this eye does a lot worse and this one does pretty good, but this time, whew, I do not know what happened. But yeah, so I have that to do tomorrow, and I also have to go get my passport picture and mail out my like passport application, because that's like the last thing I have to do that's like my name change, and I need it like ASAP. So because I'm traveling in March, so I mean I know it doesn't take that long to get done, but I just want to have it, just want to get it done as soon as possible so that I don't have to like worry about it. So I'll be doing that tomorrow, but for now I'm going to watch this movie and hope that when they come back from getting Taco Bell they don't make me change it. That is all. Okay guys, so it's a little late and I am going to go to bed, so I'm gonna end off the vlog here. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below so that you don't miss out on the next vlog. So good night from me and the pup. Say good night. Oh, so cute. Bye.